Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Eve. This is Everyday Artist and welcome. And this is Rogue. Say hi, Rogue. Hank is over here sleeping on my project bags. He thinks it's an interesting pillow. And I happened to just lay them on the couch as I was taking them out, and he just jumped up and laid on them. So it'll be interesting to try to get them away from him. I forgot to do my video yesterday because I have not been feeling well. So I've been taking it really easy and trying not to do very much. And I just lost track of time. Yeah, I forgot it was Monday yesterday. And today I looked at the calendar and went, it's Tuesday. So it's going to be a really short video. I've been really concentrating on my cross-stitch camp piece, and actually I've been sleeping a lot, so I ended up in the ER on Wednesday, and with chest pains, and while they don't think I had a heart attack, they want me to see a cardiologist. This is easier said than done. Yeah, and then I spent an hour on the phone this morning because I had an appointment with orthopedist that was canceled. Doctors, just trying to get in to see doctors is just a nightmare. So, I mean, I'm fine. Everything's fine. I'm just supposed to take it easy, and I've been trying to follow that at least since I can't go to see the doctor. Anyway, I haven't been doing a lot of stitching except for my cross-stitch camp piece, but I hope to do a little bit more this next week. Before I know it, Midsummer Stitch will be here, and I will talk more about that later. First, let me talk about my crochet to get it up off of this table here. I'm working on the second half of the chicken, and so here's the first half. And this is the head. And so here's the head on this one. And they'll go together like this. So something like that. I haven't made the inside part, so this is the second one that I'm working on. I couldn't concentrate. I kept falling asleep. And, you know, if it's not fun, why do it? I did a few more rows, or a row and a half or something of this. And then I had to attach another, sorry about that noise. Our air conditioner is really loud, and it's over 110 today, so it's coming on a lot. So it's getting longer slowly. I've been trying to work on the chicken more, so I'm not getting as much done on that. So that is all the crochet I have to do. Now, as for cross stitch, I did a little bit more work on CrazzyStitch We Do Geek. And I don't think I've ever mentioned what I'm stitching this on. This is a DMC fabric, one of those that comes in a tube. And it's got different colors on it. Anyway, I finished the W and started the E. I started the E this morning. I haven't picked out the phrase that I'm going to pick out, but I'm trying to get, I think I'm going to finish it and then go back and pick out that phrase. So, JaceBreeze, Temperature Pets. I finished the June cat, and I started the July dog. So that's as of Friday or Thursday. I don't know which. Must be Thursday because it's only 2 days. And then we're going to get some, pretty quick here, we're going to get some days that are going to be over 115, I think. Yeah, it's pretty hot out today. I've tried to do a little bit more on Dark Forest. This is by TinyModernist. I'm also doing this for Midsummer Stitch, and this is for the journal class. So the two, I guess they're moths up here because it's nighttime. I guess the moths are the last I have to do full stitch, and I have to do back stitching. This empty space right here is taken up by back stitching. And then for my birthday, my birthday's in August, my sister bought me this class, TinyModernist Night Window. I haven't started it yet, so I'm not going to finish it before the class, but I love it. I love it. That owl in the center is amazing. I love it. And the fox. I mean, it's so cute. So I hope to get started on that later today, because I am almost done with my cross-stitch piece for July cross-stitch camp. 250 Years of Freedom by Stitching with the Housewives. I've been trying to be good about telling you what I'm stitching it on, and I'm just awful at it. And then today I don't really have the brain function. The last two have been on fabrics that I dyed myself. One's a 16 count, the Night Window, no, what's it called? Dark Forest is on 16 count that I dyed myself, and Temperature Pets is a iridescent Ada that I bought at Hobby. I bought both of those at Hobby Lobby, and I dyed them myself. This, however, I don't know where I got the fabric for it. And I am almost done. I just have red to do all the way across the bottom, and I need a red square here and two here, and red across the bottom, and then I need to finish the white across the bottom, and I'll be done. I'm stitching this on a 28 count something. I don't know where I got it. So it's a mystery 28 count. It feels like a really good fabric, so I think I bought it somewhere like the attic or something. So I love this. I love a lot of Stitching with the Housewives patterns, especially the small ones. The small ones you can stitch relatively quickly, and they're cute. And she did a lot of Americana stuff between April and June. This month, instead of, she's doing Christmas in July again, but it's mostly Santas and things like that. And, you know, other Christmas things, because she says, I don't want to just leave out the European people that watch them, and so I really like them. That is it. A 10-minute video. Yeah. So let me know if you're going to participate in Midsummer Stitch, and I'll try to do a better job of finding people, you know, in the chat rooms, in the stitching rooms. I'm going to be in both classes, but you can't really chat there. And hopefully I'll see you there. And that'll be, is it going to be this weekend already? Maybe it's next weekend. I told you I'm losing track of time. Anyway, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in a week. Bye.